Good evening everyone, this is Manpreet. Welcome back to my channel. You are watching Career Talk. Your all queries regarding German studies, German PR, German education system, German jobs. So whatever you want to know regarding German studies, then please write on your write on your queries in a comment box. So one by one, I'm here to answer your all queries. If you are interested for Germany jobs, then you are eligible or not. If you are interested for German studies, like in public universities, free education, then your file is eligible or not. So I am here to answer your all queries regarding your studies, your jobs. So I request you all interested students to join my live session. Please write your queries one by one. So I am here to answer your all queries. Let's start question firing, please. I'm here only for 10 minutes. Write on your queries fast if you have anyone will have queries. Hi Nishu, hi Kevin, hi Rajan, hi Neha, hi Sunil, hi Sanjay. Okay. Can I do my food technology course in Germany in technology line? Yeah, of course, dear. All courses are possible in Germany. I already repeat these lines in my query session, in my all sessions that yes, all courses are possible in Germany. Yes, number of courses are possible only in German language. So I always suggest plan to enter in Germany with the help of German language. Then you easily get your desired course. Ma'am, in Germany, job can easily found. Yes, but only with the help of German language. If you are aware with German language, then job market is very good for you. Even if you are aware of A1, A2, then part-time jobs are possible for you. Easily you get the part-time job options. After reaching Germany, at the time of university applications, language certificates help you. At the time of company interviews, language certificate helps you. So there's a lots of benefits if you plan to enter in Germany with the help of job. Now, what questions embassy asks during visa interview? They actually want to know, want to check your confidence level, and they want to know that from which university you get an offer letter. Are you aware of this offer letter or not? You do the all applications by on or not? So just they check that you are aware where you are going. So by random questions, they want to check this. And if you log in file with us before embassy visa interview, we give you a proper training. Visa department. So our visa department is very expert. What happens if I fail in C1 exam? C1 German language exam is mandatory to apply in universities, or if you fail in C1 exam, then there are options to reattempts of this exam, but without this exam there is no option to enter in university directly, because this is the exam which proves your average, like that this yes, you are now completed this level and now you are. So if you fail in C1, then reattempts are there. Ma'am, how can I go to PG process? I always done master in India. Already done. Okay. Yeah, hi Kush. You already done masters in India, then yes, double master is possible. After reaching Germany, we can help you. Like before reaching Germany, before planning to German to enter in German public universities, you already done master. You plan to settle in Germany. So we help you to reach Germany with the help of double masters. We help you to arrange offer letter from public universities of masters for your master's course, and after reaching there, you can complete your master degree, and after this job market is very good for you. German job market welcomes if you have these two options, and also any degree from the German university. Then German market is good for you. Unemployment rate hardly 2-3%, so you easily get the jobs in Germany. Any options for professional courses after 12th? Professional courses like after 12th, nothing is possible like that. You can say that vocational training diploma courses are possible, like Ausbildung courses. And with these hospital courses, yes, you get a lots of options like hospital in nursing possible, hospital and all other options hospital courses are possible. I Gaurav and Nazia. Okay, Mr. Queries. I mean, wherein we can study and earn. Yeah, then hospital course is possible. Like this is a vocational training, it's a diploma course like Monday to Friday, out of which 3 days study, 2 days practical job in hospital. So while doing this practical job, you easily earn the stipend. Is it difficult to get a job in Germany as an international student? No. If you plan to enter in Germany with the help of German language, then there is no difficulty to finding, to searching such kind of part-time jobs also. So either you are an international student, you easily get a job in Germany if you enter in Germany with the help of German. Right, all international students study in Germany, but if the students are not aware of German language, then yes, job market is creating a problem for you to get a job in Germany. But yes, if you entered in Germany with the help of German language, then job market is good for you. Germany have scope in clothing technology. Yes, dear, Germany have scope in all courses. All courses are possible there. So instead of searching university's name, try to search your courses. There are lots of websites like that website, dat.de, dat.in, daad.in, or you can German university website, bachelorsingerman.com. There are a number of websites from where you can easily search your courses. मैम आपने मेरा रिप्लाई नहीं किया व्हाट्सएप पे. दिस इज द गुड वे कि आपने रिप्लाई नहीं किया तो आप लाइव सेशन में आके ही क्वेरी करेंगे. सो डियर सॉरी अगर मैंने रिप्लाई नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ आप अपना क्वेरी हाईलाइट कर दीजिए. एज सुन एज पॉसिबल आई ट्राई टू रिप्लाई योर क्वेरीज. क्या होता है कि बार नंबर ऑफ क्वेरीज आई गेट एंड समटाइम आई स्किप सम मैसेजेस. सो रियली सॉरी इफ आई स्किप योर रिप्लाई, skip your messages. So just give a reminder on my WhatsApp that this is your query. As soon as possible, I try to give your reply. Sometimes I am waiting the reply from my German team. There are some cases like that for which I need the help of my German team. Before any green signal, I am not always giving you a reply. So maybe I am waiting for their reply. If they update me properly, then as soon as possible I update you. But yes, seriously, I forget your query. Just highlight your query through WhatsApp so that I can recheck your query from my German team. Sorry, Mr. Dixit. Okay, WhatsApp queries. Hello, ma'am. Hi, dear. Ma'am, please tell me the courses after MBA. Like for double masters, you already done MBA, then again MBA kind courses are possible for you in Germany, like master in management easily possible, and 3 years bachelor's also accepted in Germany. We help you to enter in German public universities for your master's course if your bachelor's is only of 3 years. We have options that after 3 years of bachelor's, yes, possible master's course in Germany, public universities in German language. So after MBA, all MBA kind of courses are possible for you. What is the process to do PG in medical field in Germany? PG like MD program, it's master in. So if you're already done BDS or MBBS, then yes, you are eligible for PG program in Germany. But for this, there is a need of German language first. A1, A2, B1. These 3 levels are mandatory to complete from home country. After B1, we apply your deficit beside. When you get the deficit beside, then only you are eligible to reach Germany. After reaching Germany, then there is a need to learn more 2 levels, B2 and C1. And after C1, then there are 3 months of medical. After FSP, fast you have option to work in Germany for 2 years on the basis of temporary license, and in between these 2 years, it's mandatory for you to clear the permanent license exam, which is KP exam. And after this, you are eligible to do a job in German government hospitals according to your specialization. For more detailed discussion, join our Zoom session. I explain you, I communicate with you in one-to-one session, then I explain you the proper process, and yes, how is it possible. What is the process? Okay, this is done. Next query. Travel insurance also mandatory? Yes. Travel insurance also mandatory here, because sometimes if your luggage is missing or something kind of, so travel insurance, health insurance, these are the mandatory. This is a mandatory document in the visa file also. So before in visa interview, this document is a mandatory document, is your visa file. So travel insurance also mandatory, health insurance also mandatory. Hi Sangeeta, how are you? Can I do social work in economic field in Germany? Yes, they are possible. Social work in economic field also possible. All courses are possible, but all courses eligibility only depends on your previous education. If you've done this related courses in your bachelor's and your 12th, then this kind of bachelor's or master's is possible. If you already study subjects after student click, can we change our stream? Yes, this is possible. Like it's not like that for after W course student leave you say that I am planning for now M course. This is not possible. And yes, student leaves are also decided on the basis of like your previous subjects. You done PCB, then there is a need of M course student leave, and after M course you go for medical courses. We have a very with PCB subjects, and now you want to study BBA, business related bachelor's course. Then after doing this English preparatory program, then this is possible. Then you can easily change the stream, because in this English preparatory program we cover up your all subjects which is required for business related courses. That means it is the same revision, or we can say that it's a duplicate of 12th class, replication of 12th class. So it's a revision of 12th. It's a already completed 12th class, and again when you do this English preparatory course, again you are doing 12th class. So when you are doing again 12th class, then in this 12th class now you are doing study different subjects. So this subjects also increase the credits to change the stream. So this is seriously very good option. Medical students plan to study business related bachelor's, then yes, this is possible. This query is okay. Is there any option for 7th or 8th class student also? Yes, possible. From 9th standard it's possible to reach Germany and start your 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, then college, then bachelor's, master's, PhD till possible, but only with the help of German language. Also here, actually students are very small age. If you plan that after 8 they are planning to move to Germany, but yes, from other countries students start admissions for this, also planning easily enrolled for this profile like 9th, 10th, but for India, like you say that is proper 9th standard students are of a small age. So if you want to detailed discussion on this, then I can give you the proper explanation. Try to contact me through my contact details like on WhatsApp or call, telephonic meeting. Then I can explain you the proper process and detail that how your kids are eligible to enter in Germany from the 9th standard also. Aufnahmeprüfung re-attempts are possible, yes. If you not clear Aufnahmeprüfung in one attempt, let me explain all other what is Aufnahme. Aufnahme is the entrance exam of the student place program. If you easily not crack the Aufnahmeprüfung in first attempt, then again re-attempts are possible. You have 2 years complete to for your language backlogs, or for your entrance exam backlogs that you have to clear reattempts to them. So within 2 years, you have a time to reach universities of Germany. So in these 2 years, if you fail in any language exam, if you have enough time of 2 years, then in between these 2 years, you easily have an option to give re-attempts of language entrance exam, and after within these 2 years, you have to reach this universities after clearing all these exams. So if you want to skip all these exams, A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, off now and perform, everything will be skipped only by using one option, English Student Week program. So if you plan for this English Student Week, there is only one exit exam. You can say that FSP exam, also in English language. So with this one exam, you are eligible to enter in German public universities in English language according to the desired course. But for September intake, July 15 is the deadline, and after July 15, if you log in your file, then you are eligible for the next March intake. We have options. Okay. Ma'am, why student need health insurance in Germany? Sometimes if you fall sick, that's why you need a health insurance in Germany. So simple answer. It's a practical answer. When you fall sick, then there is a need of health care take. So for this, health insurance is required. It's also a mandatory document. Like as a travel insurance, health insurance document is a mandatory document for your visa file. And these are online links are present according to which you can easily get the insurance, like Bajaj Alliance. So there are lots of links, online links portals. So according to that, you can easily apply for a travel insurance, health insurance. So thank you, ma'am. So thank you so much, ma'am, for this information, and you are really explained very well. Always welcome, always welcome. Thank you, dear. Here. Hi, Navya. Is there any course regarding marketing? Yes, Master in Marketing is possible after BCom, BBA courses and Wisdom Beauty courses. Then Master in Marketing course is possible in German language, because English taught Master's deadline is now over. Today is the last day, 12th June, 12th July. Now only admissions possible in German taught. So if you plan to apply for a German taught master, then yes, Masters in Marketing course is possible, and you are eligible right now also to start this process. So log in your file as possible. You start your language courses in a fast track, then you are easily eligible to enter in universities for the March intake. Any more queries? How we check our university is valid in Germany or not? There is a website called anabin.de, ANABIN. So Anabin is like a software from which you can easily search your university name. When you open this Anabin through Google, then there is a option that if you want to get it's okay. Otherwise, through right click you can translate in English language, and don't use so many filters. Just go through a search bar and write lots of pages, like write your place and you get the name of the university regarding that place. Search the university name, search your university name according to that list, and if your university name is present in that list, that means your university is, you are eligible to study in Germany, public universities, and that means this university is recognized in Germany. German education system accept your certificates of this university. Well, next, if you talking about the German language, but then today, Monday, 12th June, right now we have also 2 batches today night 8 p.m. One is for A1 and one is for A2. A1 is from Indian teacher, A2 is from German teacher. So if you want to join this batch, then DM us fast, because today night 8 p.m. we are going to start 2 new batches. Hi Pawan, can you complete language here or perfect or prefer it from Germany? Okay, yes. I always suggest do higher levels from Germany. Always only do A1 A2 from India. That's okay because embassy also wants your language proof. So A1 A2 is okay to complete your embassy file. Do B1 B2 C1 there because it helps to convert into its language. So it's good if you plan to do B1 B2 C1 from Germany. Any more queries? Any more queries? Then please fast. After half an hour, around 5 p.m., I am live on Zoom. If you communicate with me, if you want to communicate with me, you want to discuss with me anything, then join me on Zoom session. And you can also join Zoom and communicate with me for your queries because in Insta just you are writing and I am speaking. So if you also want to speak, then join us in Zoom session. For Zoom meeting link, DM me through Insta, through WhatsApp, whatever from you want the link. Thank you so much, ma'am, for this information. Always welcome dear. So I guess I answer all queries. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, I'm going to wind up this session. If you want more detailed discussion, then join me at Zoom after half an hour around 5 p.m. for the meeting link. DM me. Bye.